Hello and welcome back to the channel. Here I'm doing a Trinity knot. It's a Celtic knot with a heart inside. I hope you enjoy it. If you can, subscribe, like the video and share it. It means the world to me. Previously I've shown you how to stick this pattern to the wood with PVA glue. Now I'm drilling the holes. You have to drill the hole for each internal cut that you're going to make. Doesn't have to be anywhere special, just try and keep it away from the line. Now I'm putting it onto my scroll saw, thread the blade through the hole that you've cut, and then you'll start cutting. Bit of light on there, and here we go. And this is nearly the first part cut out. Just finishing the edges off now, making nice sharp lines. And now I have to undo the blade, put the blade through another hole that I pre-drilled now, you saw me do it, and we're off again. Cut this one out next. And this is the second part now cut out. You get the idea, and you have to do that in each and every part that you are going to cut out. It all helps to produce the Celtic pattern. It's a Trinity knot with a heart inside. The heart is marked with red and the Trinity knot is in white. The Trinity knot means Father, Son and the Holy Spirit, and the heart, that's just for love. I'll leave you now to the music, and hopefully you can watch this and you'll see the end result. These are some other examples of work I've done on the scroll saw. This is obviously Jesus, and this is a spoon I did a couple of weeks ago, showing you can do various things with a scroll saw. They can range anything from £100 to £1,000 and probably more. There's a wide range of them. You get whichever one suits your needs. Anyway, If you can, subscribe to the channel, I do really appreciate it, and carry on watching. And we're coming to the end of the internal cuts now. You always do the external cuts last. That's the best way I found, and here we go, doing the external cuts. It's so much easier. You've got so much more wood to hold in your hands when you're doing the internal part. And now you cut down and then you meet it with the other way and cut like a V shape out of it. That gives you a nice defined line. And of course you can do either way, you can carry on round, but I find it best to cut one way and then the other. Also, you'll notice the lines are quite thick, so you have to decide whether you'll cut on the inside or the outside of the line before you start, and carry on cutting whichever side of the line you decide all the way around it. And this is quite a thick piece of wood. You don't have to use anything this thickness at all. You can use anything from 1, 2, 3 millimeters. It's coming to the end now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. And remember, whatever you do, do it well. See you next time.